my weekend shopping plans. This is final product level English number 3, teacher Juan Parreño. Introduction. Hello everyone, my name is Manfred Santander, and today I am going to talk to you about my shopping plans for this weekend. What am I planning to buy? This weekend I am going to buy groceries like eggs, rice, meat, vegetables, and fruit. I also need a RAM module for my computer. Where am I going to buy? I will shop at the Aki supermarket, which is the largest in my city. You can find everything you need for the home tier. After that, I'll go to a tech store to check the run. Who am I going with? I'm going shopping with my girlfriend, Mayelsi. We always go together and make it feel like a date. Why do we need these items? I need the food because I live in a remote area of the city where there are no nearby stores to stock up. The RAM is necessary to make my computer work properly. Thank you.